Hey yo, it's your boy Remrod checking back in. Look, you are now tuned in to the camera game. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all all the tips, tricks, knowledge y'all need to know about the camera world. Alright? Whatever you feel like you need to ask, make sure you drop a comment, like, subscribe. Let's get it. So look, what should your first camera be if you just starting off in photography? Now this is a hard question for a lot of people to answer, you know what I mean? Because it's a lot of people that's gonna steer you in a lot of different places. But with me, I'm gonna tell you jump right out the gate, go straight to full frame. You wanna get that best image coming out the gate. You don't wanna start practicing with nothing else. You wanna see, hey, this is gonna motivate me when I go to another shoot. All right, get the 5D Mark One, Mark Two. You can get a good deal for around $300 to $400. Sometimes 500, 600 for a mint condition one, rather than you going to buy a new T7i, T6i, anything of that nature in the entry level. All right, start full frame. Therefore, you covering the whole sensor. You getting the best looking images. You getting some good dynamic range, and you can pair it with like a 35 1.4 or a 50 1.4 or even a nifty 50 1.8. All right. So make sure when you get your first camera, you go full frame. It's okay to buy used cameras. All right. Get a good deal. mpb.com. Go to your local camera store, whatever city you in. See if they have a used Canon 5D Mark II or 5D Mark One. All right, now tell me what you think. Drop them comments below. Like, share, subscribe, do all of that. This is real camera game. I'm not holding nothing back from y'all. Let's get it.